polity in our country will be high this year. These are a few things God just permit me to say. I will say them in a parable. It will be high this year. The drama will increase. The ruling party will consolidate. Peter Obi will be a factor in the equations. There will be a lot of betrayal. The ruling party will get a fight that will look like a fight of an elephant with a lion. Sometimes the lion will beat the elephant. Sometimes the elephant will beat the lion. But the confidence of the lion is the one that makes him to be the king of the jungle. But if you look at the elephant, you know that the elephant too is strong. My fear for the ruling party, our beloved APC, wonderful. It's not about winning 2027 election. It's about winning the hearts of Nigerians. Because if you are in power and the people heart are not with you, it's dangerous. Because if we are going for campaign and people are stoning us, what is the joy? I'm speaking not because I've seen anything. I'm speaking because 2026, 2027, this new tax law that will start, wonderful, but there's going to be a lot of dissatisfaction and a lot of pain, and it leads to bad blood. And I pray that this government, before they finish, should not be unpopular.